If you would like to record your class on Zoom, you can do so. There's a webcam on the top right monitor of the podium. You can also record your voice over your materials on the computer screen or the document camera. The wireless microphone can be used to record your voice. When you open your class Canvas page, there'll be an option on the left-hand side labeled Zoom. When you click on it, you'll be presented with the option to create a new meeting. Input the day and time your meeting will take place. For classes, make sure to check the box that says Recurring Meeting so that you don't have to set up a new meeting for every class session. If you need your meeting recorded, you'll find the option to record a meeting automatically in the cloud. Selecting this will prompt your meeting to be automatically recorded by Zoom and uploaded to your Canvas page under the My Media tab. When you open your meeting, you'll see the option to join with computer audio. First are your security options. Here you are able to lock your meeting from new participants or enable a waiting room so participants have to be approved by you before joining. Underneath is the option to grant or restrict certain participant activities. After you adjust your security settings, you will have to select the option to enable your microphone. In digital rooms, the mic input should be line in. You also want to make sure your microphone is not physically muted. Check to see if the light is on. If it's not, press the button at the base of the mic to unmute it. You must also turn on the mic from the touch panel. Next, you'll see an option to enable your camera. You can use the webcam on the right monitor. If you do not wish to use the camera function, you can still share your computer screen with your students. In the center is a bright green button with an arrow that says Share Screen. Selecting this will allow you to display what is on your computer screen to your meeting participants. In your screen sharing options, select Choose Source and then pick what windows you want to display. You have dual monitors in this room, but you can choose either one of them to share. You may want to display footage from the document camera. Your room has the black Como model document camera. Go to the table that says Advanced and select Content from Second Camera. In addition to screen sharing, there's also the option to place your participants into breakout rooms. This will divide everyone into private subgroups. You can create as many as 50 breakout rooms and decide whether groups will be divided automatically, manually, or by the participants themselves. When it's all set up, select Open All Breakout Rooms. Don't worry, you won't lose touch with your participants while they're in the breakout rooms. To message them, select Broadcast Message to All. At the end of your breakout room session, hit the Close Rooms button. This gives participants 60 seconds to complete their conversation and return to the general meeting. Zoom provides live transcription for meetings that want or need added subtitles. By selecting Live Transcript and then Enable Live Subtitles, your audio will automatically be transcribed on the screen. Once your Zoom is completed, you can select Stop Recording and then end the meeting.